Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I had just got back from spending a week in California. It's actually my 20th year of going to Newport. We go to a Marriott timeshare we have there and we absolutely love it. And I get to go with my grandkids and my daughter and her husband, and we just have a really good time. So anyway, I just got back. Otherwise, this video would probably be up sooner, but I hadn't gotten this when I left yet. But I did get something in the mail today. Yay! It's my Ipsy Glam Bag for March. Okay, I just want to thank you real quick for being here and for your support. I do love your support. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment. Those things are great and I appreciate it. And also let me know if there's anything you would like to see from me or that I can do in the future. And so now let's get to what we're talking about today. Let's pull it out and see what we got. It looks like we got a brush. What is this, a blending brush? Yeah, it's a blending brush. It can almost, if you like to have it's by Wing Me. So anyway, that's the first thing in there. Now let's check out the bag. I guess this could look like March. I don't know. I love the little balls here on they've been doing the cutest little zipper pulls on their bags. So it's just fun, kind of spring colors, I guess. It's blue inside. The only thing that's throwing me off a little bit is the color of the back. I don't know. It's doesn't really match. I think if they would have done like a yellow back, that might have been cute. They do have the yellow on the zipper though. So anyway, just critiquing the bag because we know the bags are always cute and we like them. But anyway, so let's pull this out and let's see what the month has to bring for us. So this is Rewrite the Rules. Oh, that was I read it on my boxycharm. So, and I love to rewrite the rules. It says, wear too much blush, make the first move, get a mismatched mani this month, march to your own beauty beat with botanical skincare, must-have makeup, and nature-inspired palette from women-owned and founded brands who inspire us to rewrite the rules every day. I love that. I do have my own rules when I, when I put on makeup or do things anyway. I think we should all do things to our individual styles and not be afraid to say, do it like someone else or even follow what someone tells you should do. Just do your own thing. So I love that. Rewrite the rules. This does not have my products in it, but it does talk about the puffy mystery bag. And guess what? I'm going to be filming that video probably it might be one of the next videos that comes up. So I did just get those too. So I'm excited about that. So let's see what else we have in our bag. The first thing I'm pulling out looks like the thing that I picked. This is from Glace Moderne. And it is a exfoliating luxury, like a hand, kind of meant to be like a hand or body exfoliator. And I love this brand. I do have makeup. Not makeup. I have shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, now the exfoliant. They all smell good. I like to take them. I actually have them in my travel bag, so I like to use them when I travel. So anyway, I'm excited to have this. And it is sealed, but I'm going to go ahead and take it off because I may be using it soon anyway. So let's see. Let's take it off, put a little bit here on the hand. So it's definitely just a light exfoliant, that's for sure. Kind of feels like a sea salt. Smells really good. It smells kind of like there's a little bit of lemon to it, but I like it. So anyway, kind of made a mess here, but that's fun. So the next thing I'm pulling out here is This is from Kosas, and I believe this is a concealer, which I love trying new concealers. I don't think I've tried this one yet. Just a sample size here. So that's what it looks like. It looks like the color might be good for me. If anything, I like to go, I'm going to put just some right here. It looks a little yellowy for me. I don't know. It does blend in, so it blended in okay. Anyway, I'll try it. It feels pretty good. So anyway, there's that. And two more things in here. I've got from Goldfaden. I think this is Goldfaden MD. This is plant. It's a night cream. So just a small night cream, good for travel, whatever. I know the brand's good, so that's okay. Not something I'm super excited about. And then the last thing I have here is I gotta open it. I think is it a lip product? Can hardly read what it says here. It's Belle and Argent right here, and I'm thinking it's a lip product, but I don't know. Okay. Oh no, I know what it is. It's an eye crayon. It's an eye and I like it. I like the color. I don't know if you can see that. I just put that stuff on me here, so let's try it right here. There it is. So it's an eye crayon, which I've been getting into these lately. So I've been doing just a simple eye crayon eye look on days where I don't want to wear a lot of makeup. So anyway, so I actually like that. So the bag is cute. I like everything but the back of it. And this is okay. The swirls are okay. I think they could have probably come up with something better. Maybe keep this and just do something more off of these. But anyway, that's my opinion on the bag. The brush, I think I'm going to rate these 1 to 5. I'll give them each a point if I like them, or a half a point, or no points if I don't. So the eye crayon, I'll give it a point because I know I'll use it. The brush, you know, I like brushes, I don't mind, but I honestly don't know if I'll use this. I think I'm probably not going to use it. It's not one, it doesn't hit me as one I'll use, so I'm going to not give it a point. And then the Goldfaden MD was just, I mean, I might use it or try it, but it's not that exciting to me, so I'm going to give it a half a point. So right now I only got 1.5 points. But the Glass Martin, I'll give that a point. So that's 2.5 points. And then the Kosas, I'll give it, do I give it a point? Because I like to try new concealers. Even if the color's not quite right for me, maybe I'll still give it a point. So that's 1, 2, 3.5 points. So is that right? 1, 2, 3.5. So anyway, there's my Glam Bag for the month. Let me know what you think. I saw a lot more Glam Bags that I think I would rather have gotten, but anyway, it's okay. It's just a month. If you get, I think if I get under 4 points, it's probably not a very exciting month. So, but I will try and use some of these products. But anyway, that's it. So, let me know in the comments what you got in your bag, or what you think of my bag, what you think of Ipsy. I did get a bunch of add-ons and some other things I bought in the shop, which I'm going to do in another video coming up. Things that I'm really actually excited about. So these are so-so, but anyway, so that's it. Thanks for being here. I love your support, And we will see you in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.